So we're going to start by looking at the new growth on this shrub. So you can see it's a nice brown color. And if we look a little closer, you'll notice that it has opposite buds. So buds coming out on either side of the stem. You'll also notice the stem has a ridged aspect to it. You can see there's like little ridge lines running along the stem. And that gives the stem a square feel when we try to roll it between our fingers. So it'll feel like it's actually square rather than rounded. You can also notice these little black things, which are the residual flowers or fruit from the previous year. And if we look really closely at them, we can sometimes find that they look like they have a paired aspect to them. So there would have been 2 berries or 2 flowers that would have come out at this point. So sometimes you'll actually find the remnant berries holding on, and that can be a helpful identification trait. We can also look at the older bark, which you can see is much different than the younger bark. It's very peeling, and this one has quite a bit of lichen and moss on it, but it's just got quite a different texture to it than the younger bark. So it's got that nice peeling texture, whereas the new bark is this kind of nice golden brown with square stems. So what we're looking at here is the black twinberry, Lonicera involucrata. And you know, if you have some leaves, that can be a helpful trait too, but we don't really have very many leaves left on this. But you can see the leaves themselves actually do have a bit of fuzz on them if we get really nice and close up to them. Yeah, there we go. So probably the most helpful traits are the square stems, the color of the stems, the opposite buds, and if you can find any remnant berries. They're also usually found in more wetter kind of riparian environments as well.